In this video, you'll learn how to set up an automation process using a combination of TaskMagic and WooCommerce. The goal of this automation is to upload designs to a variety of products without having to do it manually. TaskMagic offers different products on which you can upload your designs, and you can sell this product through various types of stores, one of which is WooCommerce. If you've been searching for an automation tool to help you upload your products and haven't found one that works with TaskMagic, there is a solution, a tool called TaskMagic. TaskMagic allows you to record the process you would normally do manually, but then it automates it for you. Let's get started. First, I need to sign up for the TaskMagic website. You'll find the link in the description. I selected the store from the list on the main page. I selected WooCommerce and went to sign up page, where I added my information. You need to confirm your email to continue. On the next page, I needed to connect my PayPal or credit card. You might wonder why this is necessary when I haven't bought anything. The whole point of print on demand is that you don't need to do much. You just upload the product and handle customer service if there's a problem. The idea is to connect your store so that when someone buys from you receive payments for the product. The automation system will know this, and TaskMagic will collect money from you to produce the product and send it to your customer. They don't do this for free, which is why you need to add your credit card or PayPal information. Now continue with PayPal and you get to your account summary. In the future, when you have sales, you will see all the payments you made to them here. The next step is to connect your store to your TaskMagic account. Click on stores and then add new store. Next, choose WooCommerce. In different window, make sure you are logged into your website. WooCommerce is already set up on your website. Click on permalinks to ensure you are set to post name. This is the first thing you should do when creating a new WordPress website anyway. Add the URL to TaskMagic and then click OK. Then click Approve to grant a permission for TaskMagic to make changes to your store, like adding products and processing sales. Next, you need to add a plugin to your WordPress website. Download it from here. Then go to your website, click on plugins, upload the plugin and activate it. You don't need to do anything else. I have TaskMagic connected to my WooCommerce store. I need to check that the product is actually uploaded to my website because their website shows it is not connected. I also need to calculate how much I want to earn after all the fees and shipping. I created a calculator. In this calculator, I add the cost of the product, the shipping cost within the US, and the maximum shipping cost for the rest of the world. To determine the cost of the product and the shipping fee, you need to open the TaskMagic product catalog. Find the product you plan to create the automation for and start the uploading process. On the first page, you'll see the price of the product and underneath it, the shipping costs. This fee varies with each product. I've decided that no matter how much the shipping costs, in the US, I will charge $5 and for the rest of the world, I will charge $7. Customers will receive free shipping when they spend $75 on an order, and I will show you how to set everything in WooCommerce. However, I need to factor in these shipping costs when pricing the products because I still have to pay for shipping even if I give free shipping for the customer. Another thing I need to consider is PayPal fees. I've included a calculation for that in the calculator so I can ensure I still have a profit after selling the product. One of the things TaskMagic does for you when you connect your website is to calculate the shipping cost based on the customer's location. While this is a nice feature, I want to control the shipping costs because I want to offer free shipping and charge less for shipping than what they charge me when they send it to my customer. To do this, I need to access their plugin on my website and uncheck the box where they state that they will calculate the shipping for me. After doing so, I can set the shipping rates for all of my products. When you have store on the internet, it's a good idea to offer your customers free shipping if their cart total is over a certain amount, which you can choose. Usually when people know they can get free shipping by reaching a certain amount, they add more items to their cart. Here how to set it up in WooCommerce. Go to WooCommerce on your website and click on Setting. Then click on Shipping. Click on Add. You can also add free shipping to an existing shipping region. Give the new region a name and add the countries this shipping method is meant for. Then click Add Shipping Method. You'll see a few options, and you might have more if you have additional plugin for WooCommerce. If you're going to have a shipping fee as well, you'll need to add both options here. You can add other shipping method like flat rate or based on cart value. Now open the shipping method and add free shipping. You have 5 options. You can always give free shipping or set conditions. You can give free shipping with a coupon or based on cart value, or you can require both conditions to be meant for free shipping. Choose the option you prefer. Let's look at free shipping based on cart value. Select minimum order amount, then enter the amount customers need to spend in your store to receive free shipping. You also have the option to calculate free shipping based on the cart total before or after any coupon are applied. Dedicate whether to base the free shipping on the product value before the coupon or on the total amount spent after the coupon. After that, save your setting. Test it by going to your store, adding products to your cart, and checking if you receive free shipping. You can also offer free shipping only on specific locations. If you want to offer free shipping only within the US, create one region for the US with free shipping and another region for the rest of the world with different shipping methods. This setup automatically calculates shipping based on the shipping address. There are other important things you need to add to your store, such as terms and conditions, shipping policies, and frequently asked questions. These are essential for providing clear information to your customer. Now you're ready to create products. The next step is to prepare the automation for uploading the products. Start with Google Sheets. You need to add all the product information to the Google Sheets. This will help the automation know where to retrieve the design from and what to include in the product title. You should have all of your design on one folder on your computer. Go to that folder, press Ctrl A to select everything, and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus C to copy the path for the images. This will make it easier to upload them to the website. A small tip: add the name of the design to the file name to make your life easier. In a clean Google Sheets document, fix the first row and give it the first column a title like source or design or whatever. Then paste the path you just copied from your computer and it will be there. If the product name is in the file name, remove all of the paths and leave only the name. You can use the replace tool to do that. Now you have another column with the product name. If this is the title for the product, you don't need to do anything, but if it's not, you need to create the title. Here's a tip to make it easier. In a different column, start a new formula on the first cell with equal. Then add quotation marks and write the title you want inside them. Close the quotation mark and add end symbol and reference the cell with the product name. You can add another set of quotation marks if you want to include more information. Remember to add spaces before and after the cell reference. Specifically for Teelaunch, it didn't work well when I tried to change the description. I plan to add more details that I can't include at this stage, so I leave it as is for now and create a different description in the second round of the automation. Now that you have your Google Sheets ready, you can start creating the automation. If you don't have TaskMagic already, you'll need to get it from their website. You'll need the $49 a month plan because it's the only option that lets you record web actions. Download the software and install it on your computer. Log in with the username and password you set when you bought TaskMagic, and you can start recording your first automation. Create a new workspace if you want to keep things organized and name it after your website, and then create a new automation by click on the web option and give it a name. Go to the main automation page and click on trigger. This is where you'll add Google Sheets so the automation will run. Click on list, click on use list from Google Sheet, and then on setup Sheet connection. Here you have an email you need to copy and share the Google Sheets with so it will be able to read the text. Click on share on your Google Sheets and then add the email. Then copy the Google Sheets URL and paste it here. Select the sheet with the link of products. If you have only one sheet, you don't need to select it. Wait for it to recognize the information and then click on looks good. Click continue and you will return to the main page of the automation. Now click on add step and then on record web. This will open two windows. One is the recording control panel, and the other is Chromium browser, where you will record the steps. In the panel, you'll see the first step. Add the direct page of the product. TaskMagic remember your login information once you logged in, so you don't need to record the login process or add a cookie. Instead, when you start the automation on your computer, first log into the website and then start the automation. I will show you how to do that in the end of this video. For now, just add the products page to the beginning of the automation, and then don't record anything. Just log in as you normally would. If it records the steps, click on No, so it won't remember them. You won't need them in the future. Now you need to record your steps, which you can do in two ways. One way is to click on the elements in Chromium, and TaskMagic will capture the actions. Alternatively, you can use the panel to choose the steps and then record them. If you click on something and it didn't capture the step, click on the step you want to record and then click on the green button to confirm it. Whenever I say click or record a click step, in this tutorial I mean creating a click step in the automation. Start by clicking on the product you want to add the design to and upload it to your store. Now you need to start recording the process of uploading a product. When you use a print-on-demand provider, you need to upload each product separately. Although you can use the same design for every product in the catalog, you still need to create each automation with only one design. This is why automation is such a time saver. You can upload hundreds of products while you're away from your computer or even when you're asleep. You can create one long automation that uploads the same design to different products, or you can create one automation for each product in the catalog. I choose to create one automation for one product at a time and upload thousands of designs on the same product. It works better for me, but everyone is different, so you can do what works best for you. But anyway, you need to upload each product separately. Start by recording a click on the product category from the catalog and then find the product you like on that page. In my case, I'm using the baby bodysuit. Click on Create Design and continue with your store. Next, you'll be on the page where you're creating the product. Note that this editor is very simple compared to other print-on-demand providers like Printify, where you can position and change colors and everything. Here you just need to upload the image. For this specific product, you can upload images on both sides of the shirt if your design requires it. If you're going to create a design on both sides of the product, you just need to add another column for the design path in the Google Sheets. Record a click on the side you like, then click on Select Image. Now click on Upload. This will be an upload step, but to create a product, you need to upload something. Upload an image from your computer. Then go to the control panel and find the last click. Click on the three dots, find the Change Step Type option, choose Upload from the list and save. Now click on the box of the content of the step and choose the right column from the variables that have the design path. Before you move to the next step, add a delay of 1 minute. This is enough time for uploading and make the process faster. Compared to other websites where you need to have a lot of delays, on TaskMagic you don't need to add too many delays. It works fine without them. So just add 1 minute delay at this point. For some products, you can choose colors. You don't need to select the colors in the automation because TaskMagic remembers the colors you chose for specific product. Here's a tip for selecting colors. Black tend to sell better than other colors. You have many colors to choose from, but consider simplifying the options for your customers to avoid overwhelming them. I recommend offering between 3 to 5 colors choices for your t-shirts. You might choose black and white if the design works well on both, along with 2 to 3 additional colors. Because TaskMagic remembers your chosen colors and sizes for a product when you upload, you can't include this step directly in the automation. Here's why. When you record a click step in the automation, it records a click action itself. So if you have colors selected, the automation will unselect them. Each time you restart your computer and the automation, you'll need to manually add the colors the first time the automation runs. I'll show you exactly how to do that in the part of the video where I test the automation. Now click on the Create button and you reach the last page. Here you need to add text for the title from the Google Sheets. To do this, you need a new type of steps. Choose Type Step from the list of steps in the panel and click on the title box. Write something like title so you can recognize it later when you change it, and then confirm. Click yes on the variable because you need to change it from the Google Sheets variable. If you want to replace the description, do that too. If you want to change the price of the product on your website, record the type step on the price field. Enter the price and then record a click on update price. Then you need to record a click on option set description and price as default. So this information is saved to your website. Record a click on create button, and that's it for this loop. Now the product will be created here and sent directly to your WooCommerce product. It takes a few minutes for this process, but you don't need to click anything. Close the recording panel by clicking on I'm done button. Back on the automation main page, you have a line at the top of the automation. Set it to start from the beginning to end so the automation can run as many times as you want. You can let it run overnight. You can also set how many times you want this loop to work for each round of the automation. Check that you change the upload path and all the type step. Now it's time to test your automation to see if it's worked as expected. Click on the play button and let the automation run. Sometimes at this stage, you may need to re-enter your login information, and you might have to do this each time you start your computer to run the automation. As the automation runs for the first time, keep an eye on the colors and sizes to see if they are selected. If they aren't, just manually click on them while the automation is running. This won't stop the automation and it will continue to perform its tasks. You'll need to repeat this step every time you open your computer and run the automation for the first time. Once you checked that the product is published correctly, go to the trigger setting and change the loop amount to a maximum of 500 times. The automation will stop after reaching this limit. If you want to upload more product, click on the 3 dots next to the name of the automation in the left menu and select duplicate. Then just update the product selection step with the new product from TaskMagic. Additionally, you can modify the column of the title in the Google Sheets to include the name of the design and the type of product. This is what you should do every time you open your computer and you want to run this automation. You can watch this video next, subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next video.